Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In a previous video, we have already discussed about the rotational axis of symmetry and principal axis. So in this video, we will be discussing about plane of symmetry or mirror plane. So why this is known as mirror plane? We should know the definition of mirror plane symmetry at first. So what is that? Actually, plane of symmetry of a molecule represents a plane which bisects the molecule in such a way that each atom on one side of the plane, when reflected through this plane, considering it as a mirror, encounters an equivalent or identical atom on other side, and this plane of symmetry is also known as sigma plane also. Okay, so these are two alternative names of plane of symmetry, right? So now with the help of few examples we will discuss about this topic. Suppose HCl. Okay, so apparently if you look at this molecule, you can tell me that we cannot bisect this molecule, right? But you will admit that this is a planar molecule. So now you have to remember that each planar molecule has a plane of symmetry, which is the molecular plane itself. Okay, for example, this molecule, it has a plane of symmetry, the plane of symmetry passes through the molecular axis, which is joining the hydrogen and chlorine nuclei. Okay, so suppose this is the molecular plane of HCl molecule. So this is the plane of symmetry of this molecule. Now suppose we will take water molecule. Okay, so easily we can bisect this molecule if we can place a mirror over here. So you can see that the left side is exactly equal to the right side. So we can draw a mirror over here which is bisecting the oxygen atom. So this is the mirror plane, or we can have another plane of symmetry which is the molecular plane itself. Okay. Now another example, suppose this one. This is bold line. Okay, bold line means above the plane, and normal line means on the plane, and dotted line means below the plane. So here you can see the both substituents are above the plane. So this is a Cis compound. Okay, so if we want to name it, so this is 1,2-dimethyl cyclopentane, right? So if we place a mirror here, you can see that the above part is exactly equal to the lower part. So we can draw a mirror here. Suppose this is the mirror, and if the above part is reflected through this mirror, we can get the exact lower part. Okay. Now suppose we are considering this molecule. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1,3,5 tribromobenzene, right? So this is a planar molecule. As I have told you earlier that every planar molecule has a plane of symmetry which is the molecular plane itself. So already it has a plane of symmetry. Now we have to find out if it has any other plane of symmetry or not. So suppose we are placing a mirror here, okay, exactly at the middle. So you can see that left part is exactly equal to the right part, or if you place the mirror over here, in that case also the above part is equal to the lower part, or if you are placing the mirror over here, here also the lower part is equal to the above part, right? That means it has 4 plane of symmetries. One is the molecular plane itself, and number 2 is 3 sigma planes passing through C3 axis. Now suppose this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is 1,4 dichlorobenzene. Okay, so it is also a planar molecule, so we have the molecular plane as a plane of symmetry. Now we have to find out if we have any other plane of symmetry or not. Suppose we are placing our mirror over here. So now you can see that it is exactly dividing the molecule in 2 equal halves, and if the left part is reflected through this mirror, then we will get the right part, exact right part. So we can draw a mirror plane here. Okay, so suppose this is mirror A. Okay, now next one, if we are placing a mirror here in the middle, so we can see easily that the above part and the lower part is exactly equal. So another one mirror we can draw here. Okay, so this is mirror B. Mirror B. So this molecule has 3 plane of symmetries. So in this way we can find out how many plane of symmetries or mirror plane or sigma planes are present in a molecule. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding this topic, you can ask me in the comment section below, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment in my videos. Thanks for watching.